We made a mess. Okay, this is a little loss.
Say fail. Let me get this off of me so I can go rescue you.
Felt so wrong. She found another way.
Hi guys, thanks for showing you. Today we're making slime putty rainbow
What is it called?
unicorn slime.
Unicorn putty? Let me show you the
Unicorn
box. This is crazy.
And we're using a food spoon. But we did not have a big spoon, so we decided to use my little spoon. And we have a bowl here, so let's get started making it.
So everything is included, right, Aria?
Yeah.
Everything that's included she needs to make this, except the bowl and the spoon. So let's get open.
You can see this kid having fun with it.
And these are super inexpensive. You can buy them at Walmart for $5.88.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so we might not need the spoon. So they give you a stick, some blue food
I
coloring,
don't want this.
pink
Well, it's
food
supposed to be
coloring,
pink.
glue,
Mom, are we supposed to make this?
and borax solution.
Yeah.
First we open the glue.
First we open the glue. Then we put this in. Then it's glue.
Squeeze!
It's like putty. Done. A lot more glue.
Yeah, we need all the glue we can get because we want it to be
Fabulous.
fabulous.
You're making it even bigger blobs. Whoa! That's enough glue.
I want to get every drop out of there.
Don't start gluing.
All right.
Done.
I like these little kits because they're pre-measured for your kids.
Can I have it?
And up next, the borax solution.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
I'm trying to get every drop of the water.
Put it closer. All right. Now the next step says keep stirring continuously.
I feel like ew. That feels good.
She always likes touching it when it's not all the way done yet. And then she gets a little, gets all slimy all over her.
Can I touch it?
So I'm pretty sure at this point we have slime. So let me
Can I touch it?
take it off of here.
No?
And right now it's just white slime. They call this transparent slime.
And then when you put in the colors, it will be more colorful.
So I'm just gonna play with this in the water, the borax solution, to make sure everything got in there.
Okay. Now will you put this in?
All right, wait a minute. Make sure it's not sticky because you hate sticky slime.
I do.
If you don't mix it enough, that's when you get sticky slime. So right now it's just white. Hello. It says to divide it in half.
Pieces.
So we'll put, oh, it might not be done yet. Ah, it's a mess.
Oh.
I have no idea what happened to this.
Pew! Now put this in.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to. Hold the tablecloth down. Okay, so started off super easy to make, and then it turned into a nightmare. We're not gonna be able to make unicorn slime.
Okay, this is a little loss.
Say fail. Let me get this off of me so I can go rescue you.
This is not good. We'll have a terrible video. We're failures.
We're failures.
Now we gotta put these in.
Aria, we don't have slime. It didn't make slime. It made sticky goo.
Ew.
Put them in the bowl. We're not gonna be able to finish this bowl.
Ew.
Here, let's just clean up our mess.
Let's just put these in. Okay. Okay, these are. Ew. That looks cool.
You just wanted to squirt it out anyway, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Would have been cool if it worked.
Ooh, now it's making purple. This is terrible disaster. Terrible. I'm trying to say this is
Alright. Let's put that over here. This is a disaster.
I'll put that over here. It's here. That's right.
Here, put your sleeves up. Come here, give me your hands. Give me your hands. Okay, give me this one. Give me this one.
FurReal. Bye. Like and subscribe. Comment below.